Hi friends, today I am going to demonstrate you a Python program to demonstrate a a built-in function named as zip. So zip is a Python built-in function. So let me just brief you out what does a zip does. So zip takes sequences as input and returns you a list of tuples. So let me explain you clearly whether good example. So I need to list as input. So let me take first as an input. List 1 as an input with all the integer values. I'm just taking a list 1 of length 6 which holds 6 integer values. List 2 is again a list with which holds characters like P, Y, T, H, O, and N. So now comes into picture what exactly is a zip function. So we'll be passing the sequences. The sequences can be list or tuple and all. So I'm just taking two lists now, list 1 and list 2. So once I apply this function, I'm just trying to store it back into list 3. So this is how. So what does this list do is it will create a tuple with their corresponding values. If one tuple of 1 comma p, tuple of 2 comma y, tuple of 3 comma P, tuple with 4 H, tuple with 5 O's, tuple with 6 N. So let us give a print statement for a better understanding, like print list 1, list 2, and print list 3. Our list 3 is a zipped version of list 1 and list 2. Let us run this and check the output. So our list 1 is the original input. List 2 is also the input which we gave, and list 3, so we can just use it as a list function. List function is a built-in function which actually converts the zipped values to a list. So if you could observe, so there is a correspondence between the first elements, second elements created a tuple, third elements of both the list created another tuple. So this is how our zip function works.